Wifey should be coming out soon. There's a storm coming. As you can see by the trees, wind died down a little bit. Yeah, the river all the way there. The water's crazy. Yeah, no good. Damn, why doesn't this car sell? I'm trying to sell this car. It's not selling for some reason. Yep. Wifey and baby number 2. Where are you? 아이고 토끼. 깡충. Hello Willie. Hello everyone. Hello. 조시야 나가는 거 봤는데.
봤어? 가자.
윌리, hello. 가자. 칼 해줘요.
무설 넣어서 카레 넣어.
무설 넣어서. 무설 카레. 와.
되게 특이하겠지? 깜짝 놀랄걸? 맛있어서?
그럴 수도 있어. 꼬들꼬들해서. The sky is turning gray. It's gonna rain soon. It's been pouring in increments, in small increments. Yeah, and yeah, we said F it to filming. We're going back home. Hopefully, all the laundry's fine. Your wifey and baby number 2 sleeping? Yeah, sleeping. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh my! It's hailing! It's called hail, Daniel. Hail. Little pieces of ice. 바로 근데 녹아. 여보. 꼬맹이.
문 열어줘. 일어났다. 아, 얼음을 맞았나봐.
어떻게? 와. 이제 없었어. 이제 비로 변했다. 와. 갑자기 비로 변했어.